and it is non-terminating. It never ends, but the decimal number will repeat. 4 upon 9, 0.444 and so on. So these are non-terminating and repeating. Important thing is what? If the denominator of a rational number is in the form of 2 to the power m multiply 5 to the power n, where m and n are whole numbers, then the rational number is terminating decimal. If you do not want to divide the number and we want to know immediate without calculation that the rational number is terminating or non-terminating, so what we will do? We will follow this rule. In this rule, first of all, we will simplify the numerator and denominator. Then we'll see that what are the factors of the denominator. Just take the example, we are having 5 upon 32. This is already in simplified condition, 5 upon 32. Now 32, when we will factorize this, we are having 5 2 to the power 5. But there is no 5. So we will write here 5 to the power 0. Because we have taken in the rule that where m and n are whole numbers. So this 0 is here. 2 to the power 5 multiply 5 to the power 0. So this can be written in the form of 2 to the power m multiply 5 to the power n. So it is a terminating decimal expression. Now next thing is there, representation of non-terminating recurring decimal. If we are having a repeating decimal in the number, so how can we write them in the form of p upon q, rational number? So this is a type 1 question. Example is given 0.5 bar. Bar indicates here that 5 is repeating. So only one digit is repeating, that is 5. Just after the decimal, only one. We will not go for the digit. We will go for how many digits. So there is a single digit, 5. Only one digit is repeating. So how can we solve this? We want to convert this 0.5 bar in the form of p upon q. So let x is equals 0.5 bar. So how can we write bar here? Bar means the repeating numbers. X is equals 0.5555 and so on. So this is our first equation. Because only one digit is repeating here, so we will multiply both sides by 10. So 10x, when we will multiply right side by 10, so what will happen? The decimal will shift one digit right hand side. So it becomes 5.555. This is the second equation. Now subtracting equation 1 from 2. So 10x, this we are having here, 10x is equals 5.555, x is equals 0.555 and so on. When we'll subtract 10x minus 1x, that is 9x, 5 as it is, and after the decimals all will be zeros are here. Now this is type 2. X is equals, now what we'll have here, 9x is equals to 5. So x is equals 5 upon 9. So 0.5 bar we can convert here this in the form of p upon q, that is 5 upon 9. So this was the type 1. Only one digit is repeating. Now the type 2 is here. 2.4 bar. In the first question we are having, first this is the this was 0.5. Now this time we are having here 2.4 bar. So let x is equals to 2.444 and so on. This is the first equation. Again multiply both sides by 10 because one digit is repeating. Only one decimal digit is repeating. So 10x is equals, again the decimal will shift to right side, 24.444. This is the second equation. Subtracting equation 1 from 2, same method we are using here as we have done in the previous question. 10x is equals to 24.444 and so on. X is equals to 2.444 and so on. 10x minus 1x, that is 9x. 24 minus 2, that is 22 point. After the decimal we are having zeros. So x is equals to 22 upon 9. So 2.4 bar we can write here as 22 upon 9. Right. Now we are having type 3. In type 3, this is 1.12 bar. X is equals 1.121212 and so on. So this is the first equation. Now you can see here how many digits are repeating? 2 digits. So multiply both sides by 100. This will multiply both sides by 100. So this have 100x is equals, this time the decimal will shift towards right side by 2 digits. So 112.1212 and so on. This is the second equation. Subtracting again equation 1 from 2. So we are doing 100x is equals 112.12 and so on. X is equals to 1.1212 and so on. If we subtract it, 99x is equals 2 minus 1 is 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1 point after the decimal, all zeros are here. So x is equals to 111 upon 99. So 1.12 bar is equals to 111 upon 99. So this was the type 3. Now we are having type 4. In type 4, there is example 2.739 bar. We can see here the first decimal digit is without bar. In all the previous question, just like 2.4 bar, first decimal digit is having bar. Type 3 is also the two decimal digit, continuous two decimal digits are having bar. But in this type 4 question we have 2.739. We are having bar here on 39. This one. Soon after, first decimal digit is not having bar. So let x is equals to 2.73939 and so on. This is the first equation, just like the previous one. Multiply both sides by 10. Why? Making only repeating digits after decimal. Making only repeating digits after decimal. So we have to bring this 7 to left side. That's why we are multiplying by 10. So 2 point multiply by 10. So this is 10x is equals 27.3939 and so on. This is the second equation. Now from here, this is the question like we have done in the type 1, type 2 and type 3. Multiply both sides now by 100. Why? Because 2 digits are repeating. So we have multiplied here 2 times. First, to make the repeating digits after the decimal, and second, the digits are repeating. Multiply both sides by 100 because 2 digits are repeating. So if we multiply both sides by 100, so this is becomes here 1000x. This becomes here 2739.3939 and so on. This is the third equation. Now this time we are subtracting equation 2 from 3. So we are having 1000x is equals 2739.39 and so on. 10x is equals 27.3939 and so on. If we subtract this, we are having here 0, 10 minus 1, 9, 990x is equals 9 minus 7, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 7, 2 point and so on. So 990x is equals to 2712. So we can write x is equals to 2712 upon 990. So 2.73939 bar can be written as 2712 upon 990. Similarly, one more question is of this kind. X is equals 3.17148. So this can be seen by you that here how many digits just after the decimal without bar? 2 digits. And with bar 3 digits. So first of all, we will multiply here by 100. So multiply both sides by 100 because after the decimal there are 2 digits. In the previous question, we are having only 1 digit. So that's why we are multiplying here by 10. But this time we are having here by 100. We are multiplying here by 100 because 2 digits after the decimal is without bar. So multiply both sides by 100, making repeating digits after the decimal. So 100x is equals 317.148, 148 and so on. This is the second equation. Now multiply both sides by 1000. In second equation, multiply both sides by 1000 because 3 digits are repeating. So this becomes here 1, 2 zeros are already and 3 more zeros are here. X is equals 317.148, 148 and so on. This is the third equation. Now the same method is there, subtracting equation 2 from 3. This one we have written here. So on subtraction we are giving 99900x is equals 316831.000 and so on. So 3.1748 bar is this is the answer. Now you are able to do the questions from NCERT. First I will give you homework. So homework is there. Assignment first. This is for you. You will do exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.3 from NCERT. First you will do this, then I will give you extra questions. Thank you so much, girls.